So, after 2 years of attending Anime Matsuri, I finally got my own superpass. See what's inside. Wow. Houston 2023. Now this is the unique badge superpass buyers get. Now this is a live unboxing. And it has its own landlord. Dedicated pictures of the two bands they'll be playing in the Anime Matsuri 2023. A picture holder. The 2023 shirt for this year's convention. And massive convention bag, which they have, which they produce every year. Even they actually made a bag for 2020. And that's it. For all intents and purposes, Anime Matsuri 2023 is happening right now.